sendi khala go mviti yenyi bya bamaramata amani waka ba padre abakofu be marama ne benyo kusunga ne babola ko lendo muiwa no chewe khala go ngura so kindly Nyasaya bakhonye so that you are not derailed obusubiri bwenye utonye ku Kristo amaparo kenyo katonye ku Kristo. Kuna mambo mengi ambayo yatafanyika, lakini let you trust in the Lord. Put your trust in the Lord who made heavens and earth. Hallelujah. Today, nyanga inoshinga na Wakenya, we had put our trust in our government. Lakini now the government is killing us. When you put trust in anything else, which is not God, Ogula utakufa moyo. Sikira abantu abangi nyanga inonoro keresa taarifa tofauti nyingi. Umbulebe musikali fulani yere fulani. Fwana abantu babe abducted. Eshaloshe fulani shibula mumulebe. And we had put our trust in the government. Hallelujah. Bwana asifiwe. Na hando ubiwa serikali yukukati ngiaza rani. Wemwana batire mumukhwana. Hallelujah. Nakakukana kane bwana kuli kwaso beradizi aita. Lakini mwana unoba bole mnono tsifungo tsiseni. No ulinda gashina iseni. Na umundu unoba lele nali a half dead. Ndana be a half dead no umundu wikulanga iseni nubo olungwa buno ukupenge. Kana no radisi yai. Ili ukora ya hali ya juu. Hallelujah. And you see, we cannot remain silent when such things are happening. We had put our trust in the government, but now the government is failing us. Nature never monabu, no usubiri mushindu shindi, eshina ni nyasaye tawe, nishoto mahone mirembe tawe. But when you trust in the Lord, no usubiri mu nyasaye, nyasaye tokuonya inzia hiyo. When you are dismayed, when you are low, God will be there with you.